It is remarkable to think about the impact that Dick and the entire Marriott family have had through the Bridges program since 1989, helping more than 23,000 students. My and Accenture's journey with Bridges began with a simple request 2 years ago from Dick to co-chair the gala. We were not familiar with the Bridges from School to Work program, but soon saw that we had an opportunity to not only support a great organization through the gala, but also to begin a partnership that would enhance our ability to make Accenture a more diverse and inclusive company.
The Bridges program works with 17 to 24-year-olds, and we basically coach them for interviews. We help them build their resume. We teach them how to write a cover letter, how to talk to managers, how to communicate effectively, and essentially just how to bridge over into the adult world.
I was born and raised in the San Francisco Mission District. My duties at Accenture are varied. We read over team emails, and if someone needs a hand or if I can assist in it, I give a hand. I run around and make sure that the rooms are nice and tidy. Pretty much all around, if anyone needs a hand, I help them out.
The first time I met Saul, he was nervous about coming to the office. He had a lot of confidence issues, and for about 1.5 years, we worked on communication, how to carry yourself with confidence so that you can walk through those doors of opportunity when they present themselves.
Where do I see myself in a year? I see myself still here at Accenture, growing, learning new things, going to school, taking care of my family, and just bringing and putting smiles on everyone's face.